Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get rocket launcher and stick figure battles. I already got this, so I'm gonna show you. Okay, first you need the hook and go to here. Bro, wait. Oh, okay, I come. Okay, if you this is H doing H. Oh, I don't know how to say it, but it's Delirious from Second, or he's also a YouTuber. So you need to go to present here, and you need to be gas mask just for me. Okay, if it's only the one it works, so you have to get the that.
All I see is me.
And you have to rejoin the game, and you will get it. So bye bye, and see you tomorrow. See you later. I mean, not see you tomorrow.